Welcome to DailyBuddy, the all-in-one productivity platform for small teams and freelancers. DailyBuddy brings everything you need for your workday into a single platform. No more switching between 10 different tools. Everything in one place, clear and secure. The platform consists of several apps. You activate only what you really need. Every member of your team gets their own space, and as the owner of the instance, you always keep full control. DailyBuddy is developed and operated in Germany. Your data is stored exclusively in European data centers, secure and privacy compliant. In this video, I'll show you how DailyBuddy is structured and how you can get started in just a few minutes. This is the dashboard, your personal starting point in DailyBuddy. What you see here is individual. Every user can customize their own dashboard. In the top right corner, click on Edit. You have two options there. With Edit Dashboard, this window opens. On the left side, you see all your apps. You select an app. And on the right side, the available widgets for that app appear. With a simple click on the toggle, you activate the widget and it appears on your dashboard. With Sort and Resize, you switch to editing mode. Here you can move widgets by drag and drop and resize them at the corners. When you're done, you save with Save. Your dashboard will end up looking exactly the way you need it. In DailyBuddy, you don't work alone. Under Your Company, you'll find the User Management. Here you can see all users that belong to your instance: name, email, status, and when they last logged in. You can add new users at any time. Every user has their own profile and their own dashboard. In the settings, you define who the owner is. The owner administers the instance and manages the users. Multiple owners can also be assigned at the same time. You control in the settings whether this store is visible to your users. If the option is disabled, all available apps are automatically available in the sidebar, without anyone having to configure anything. Ideal for small teams who just want to get started. If you enable the option, the App Store becomes visible to all users. Everyone can then choose which apps they want to use. Let's take a look at the store. Every app has a short description, and with a click on Info, you get all the details about the app, what it can do, how it works, and what it looks like. With Activate, you activate the app with one click. It appears immediately in your sidebar and is ready to use. Do you have a question or a request? DailyBuddy has a built-in help system for exactly that. You fill out a short form. Select the type of your request, specify the affected app, and describe your concern. You can even attach a screenshot directly. After submitting, a ticket is created. You can see the current status of your request at any time, and can ask follow-up questions or reply directly there. No email chaos, no searching through old messages. Everything runs clearly in one place. And do you have an idea for a brand new app or a new feature? Feel free to share it with us. We welcome any feedback. The apps are the heart of DailyBuddy. In the left sidebar, you can see all your activated applications. You use what you need and leave out what you don't. With the Projects app, you manage your projects as a team, clearly structured and without overload. Projects are organized here as workbenches. At a glance, you can see how many tasks are open, who is involved, and what status the project has. When you click on a workbench, you land directly in the overview. Here you see all the important numbers at a glance: open tasks, completed, overdue, and a breakdown by list. Within a workbench, there are lists, individual projects that you can freely create. Each list contains groups that you can name and design yourself. The columns of each group are completely free. You add what you need, for example, text, date, status, links, or people. Tasks can also have sub-elements, making it easy to structure even more complex tasks cleanly. Directly on each task, you can write updates, mention team members directly, and attach files. Communication always stays exactly where it belongs, on the task itself. More on this in the detail video on projects. The PDF tools are one of the strongest features in DailyBuddy, with a large selection of tools directly in the browser. You simply load your document and immediately have access to many tools. For example, rotating pages, splitting, or merging. Let's take a quick look at rotating. You select the pages you want to rotate, click left or right, and done. Most tools run entirely in the browser. Your file never leaves your device. A few tools require server-side processing. This is always clearly shown to you before you use a tool. The file is deleted immediately after processing. With forms, you create professional forms and surveys directly in DailyBuddy without external tools. The builder works by drag and drop. You choose from many field types: text, email, date, dropdown, checkboxes, file upload, or even signatures. Forms can also be built with multiple steps. Directly in the builder, you can see a preview of how the form will look. Every form can be shared via link. Submissions are collected clearly, with statistics and a searchable table. Particularly useful, you can design your own document for each form. With the integrated drag and drop designer, you decide how the document looks, with logo, address, form fields, and a signature. After every submission, it is automatically generated. The data is stored exclusively on European servers, privacy compliant and secure. Curious? Then visit us at dailybuddy.net. Try DailyBuddy for free and without a credit card. All apps, no hidden catch, just get started.